Yes.
All right. Are you ready? Make sure you have your Reggie. That's it. Take 2 steps. Take 2 steps. Should have Hunter Goodson. Hunter.
Do an alternate. I'm ready.
Hunter Goodson.
Here was my counterpart.
All right, he's on the way out here. Waiting on you, Hunter.
Are you in this round?
He can't.
They can't do it.
Oh, will you take this over? I'm gonna go get something to eat real quick.
I want to televise his demise anyways.
Hunter on the way.
Ready for this? You ready for this?
I'm always ready.
You did pretty good.
I'm born ready. Mr. Jareth, what do you think? You gonna be okay here?
Here comes Hunter.
Do I look nervous?
For you, sir.
I apologize. All right. We are ready.
Me. This is me.
Ready?
You're right next to me.
Hammer is ready. Bonesaw is ready. In 3, 2, 1, go. Of course, we have the same 15-minute timer. I've been hearing rumblings that a couple of these guys think they'll pick all the blocks before we get to the timer. We'll see.
One.
Close last.
Here. Top. Shut up. 2. You just stand right there, cutie.
Somebody's already got 2. I don't want to give you other guys 3. 3. The customer is waiting, staring at your shoulder.
Got one. Groceries.
They got groceries in the car.
Somebody's got one right here.
Got one?
Four. Shut up.
My boy right there.
5. My bad.
Just get to the shoulder. Oh,
Six.
this is the last year's style. Next year's gone. Our lock can't lock. The lock can't lock. So you bring your own tools, whatever you want to do. I adopted this. I like this.
All right, Royal Key Supplies announced the winner of their raffle.
7.
Here is the winning ticket. This is the blue ticket. If you talk to the folks over at Royal Key Supply, 672024. 672024.
That's a 9.
Of course, you have to be present to win. 672-024.
The heat winner.
It's a nice KM100 key tool and some other goodies.
Disconnect down. Then we have the final one.
Look at that door prize we got over there.
You got one left?
Check your blue tickets. If you talk to the folks at Royal Key Supply, 672-024. So be close to the last call. We'll go to the backup. There we go. He's coming. He's on the way. Down to one lock pick also over here on one side of the monstrosity. Congratulations.
Like what you're saying?
Chris After with the key rookie old Locksmith. Good job. Congrats. Thank you all very much.
Sorry, Dan. You got time.
We're just about to reach the 5 minute into the competition. 10 minutes left. Is it going to take you 10 minutes to pick that last one?
Is this one stuck or what?
Yeah, move it.
This one's weird.
There's like 4 mushroom samples in mine at least. This guy's sweating.
Uh-oh.
So last year. Here, brother. Yeah.
Hey.
Damn, I can't pick this lock. Is it functioning?
It's giving you guys time.
Got it.
Everyone take 2 steps to the way from the monstrosity. And for our winner,
Hey, you gotta mark it. You gotta mark it. Let's pick. Mark that. All right.
Nice.
complete 1 full slot of the monstrosity. The only contestant we've done thus far.
Plus my ego more, please.
All right.
Jesus
7
Christ.
minutes, 36 seconds.
Thank you.
Pick them all. All right. So,
Put them right over, gentlemen, around the table.
Let me see one.
Put your irons down.
need a podcast. 2.
I'm filming this.
Okay.
This takes precedence.
No.
After this meeting.